Fla! Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a smartphone masterpiece? Let's go behind the scenes and see how the Samsung S26 Ultra is born. It all begins in a futuristic design lab in Seoul. Here, brilliant engineers and designers dream up the future, sculpting every curve and detail on advanced 3D models to achieve that sleek, iconic look. Next, we dive into the heart of Samsung's innovation: vertical integration. In massive state-of-the-art facilities, they manufacture their own critical components. We're talking about the powerful processors that act as the brain, the stunningly sharp camera sensors that capture your memories, and the vibrant, world-class screens that bring it all to life. It's off to the assembly line in Vietnam, a symphony of automation. High-precision robotic arms work tirelessly, piecing together thousands of components with microscopic accuracy. Once assembled, each phone faces a gauntlet of rigorous tests. They are dropped, bent, and tested in extreme temperatures to ensure they meet Samsung's legendary standards for durability and performance. Finally, after passing every single quality check, the finished phones are carefully polished and nestled into their packaging. From a simple idea to a powerhouse in your pocket, the Samsung S26 Ultra is now ready to be shipped out and connect the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more.